your shop clean and keep dust in its place with the T10113 Universal Overarm Blade Guard. This heavy-duty dust shroud is easily adjustable and fully encompasses the blade and riving knife on nearly any table saw. The armature extends from 39 inches to 68 inches from the support column and houses the integrated dust collection and 4-inch dust port. The clear dust shroud flares outward in the center for maximum coverage and features built-in rollers to assist the guard smoothly onto the workpiece. The dust hood also features 6.5 inches of vertical movement and is easily locked into place for operation. It's important to remember that the T10113 does not replace your built-in anti-kickback protection on your table saw. However, it is one of the most functional accessories you can add to your shop system to keep it clean and productive well into the future. Check out the T10113 Universal Overarm Blade Guard today on Grizzly.com.